here in Applewood Resort in Dhanaulti. The place is amazing. Offbeat hai, away from the city life, away from all the noises, and the best thing is you get the view of snow-capped mountains. This is the only place where you get the view of snow-capped mountains. So this is the best thing. It's secluded. The rooms are amazing, and the food is awesome. The best food I've ever had in Dhanaulti, to be very honest. And the owner and the staff is very friendly and worth the visit. So Applewood also has a lot of activities for the kids and the adults as well. So there's a pool table, there's carom board, there is a badminton court, as well as swings and everything for the kids. So there's no way that you can get bored in the midst of this beautiful nature. Along with, like, you can go for walks, and the view here is amazing.